So these are a couple of the 360-degree hinges that I made. I painted them. It's basically two hinges welded together. And this is going to allow me to let the door swing 360 degrees. So here I've got one of the 360-degree hinges mocked up. There'll be three mounted along this vertical rail. And this is a simulation of the door. And this is just going to be the door width right here. And so I can have a latch here and open the door to the inside like that, and have it can go all the way up against the wall. Or I can swing the door all the way around and have it fold up against this wall in case I want to slide this door back to be able to work in this area or move things in and out. Okay. And instead of tacking it, I'm just going to weld it. And I'm going to, hopefully the vise here will hold it straight. Not that it's a big deal, I'm just trying something different. I like that better.